dear organizers, and my beloved students. It is a very auspicious moment for me to be present here in front of you, and this is a very historical hall, and many scholars of Islam have adorned this hall, and they were present in this hall long ago. As Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama is famous for its education and for its equilibrium and balancing way. That is why the scholars of this institution were very famous all over the world, because they were researchers and they studied very deeply. This is a sign, and this is a fame of this institute. So we must maintain that class in ourselves. As far as article reading is concerned, you presented your topics very well, but I will suggest to you to prepare more, because article reading means that you are going to cover everything in your article, and your article must be complete, must be comprehensive. Suppose if anyone comes from outside and listens to you, so he must feel something, he must gain something, and he must increase something to his knowledge. And you are going to represent the whole Islamic society after you complete your study from here. So it is a responsibility upon your shoulders to be a complete personality in yourself. People will ask you many questions regarding Islam and Muslims. So you must be prepared for that. And you must be very sound in your knowledge, because people don't know about Islam. Muslims or non-Muslims, both don't know about anything about Islam. Suppose you get a chance to say something in the gathering of non-Muslims to represent your religion. So you must choose the topic wisely, and you must understand what you are going to deliver. Your words are listened very carefully in public. If you say something in public, so this is the time we must think about it, and you have left your homes and come here from long distances. So this is a very good time, appropriate time for all of you to prepare yourself. And how can we prepare ourselves? We can prepare ourselves by self-study. It is mutala. The books you are studying in your course is other thing, and you must be very sound in your class books, in your syllabus. But apart from those books, you must be very sound in your study. Darul Nadwatul Ulama is a very famous institution all over the world. As far as our country is concerned, there are only two Islamic institutions famous, very famous, and they are Darul Uloom Deoband and Darul Uloom Nadwatul Ulama. Everyone will tell only about these two institutions. So there are some good qualities for this institution, and you must cultivate those qualities in yourselves. That is the main purpose of your staying here. You are staying here, you must increase your ability of knowledge and how to communicate with people, how to talk with people. You are very good in your moral values, no doubt about it. Very good. But we lack in communication skills. When it comes to communicate with others, we fail to deliver. So this is a very good chance for all of you to prepare yourselves as much as possible in your education. And I believe that you are very serious regarding your studies. And after completing your study, you will be called an alim, and you will have to represent Ummah, Islamic community. So this is the biggest responsibility upon your shoulders. And mostly people understand English language because they come from different places of the country and different places of the world. So you must prepare yourself to communicate in English language, to talk in English language. This is the main purpose of learning any language for us, especially for us. Not for any worldly gain, only for the service of Islam. We learn English language only for the service of Islam. And if you wear kurta pajama, if you wear a cap, and if you wear a beard, then people will suppose that you are an alim and you have to represent the whole community, Muslim community. So this is the message from my side, and I hope that you will act upon it and you will prepare yourselves in the time spare in your completion of your study, and try to take participation in such kind of cultural program, because it gives you an opportunity to come here to speak. It will remove your stage phobia and you will feel yourself free whenever you speak in front of audience. If you can speak here, you can speak anywhere. This is a stage provided to you. So grab this opportunity with your both hands and try to take participation in English speech program as well as in article reading. Both are beneficial for you, and you can continue your study along with these cultural activities. Inshallah, if you give me chances in upcoming days, I will definitely come here, and I hope that you will take participation in a larger number than this. Inshallah. Jazakallahu khair. Assalamu alaikum.
Jazakallah. Thank you to our respected chief guest for being with us today and sharing kind words. We also thank all the students for listening and taking part in the program. With this, we announce the conclusion of the program. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.